there is no Jasprit Bumrah, but similarly पाकिस्तान में भी फ़खर जमान और जो है साइम से पहले इंजर्ड हो चुके हैं जो कि इम्पैक्ट प्लेयर्स हैं, तो किसी हद तक बैलेंस हो जाता है ये. Bumrah brings a lot more to the Indian team. How do you see his absence?
So obviously it is a blow. Jasprit Bumrah is a one of a kind bowler. He's a bit of a freak. But मैं थोड़ा सा controversially ये कहूँगा कि जो उनकी absence है वो ज़्यादा इंडियन टीम को अफेक्ट करती है टेस्ट मैचेस में और टी20 क्रिकेट में, क्योंकि टी20 क्रिकेट में उनके जो 4 ओवर होते हैं वो बहुत बड़ा फर्क ला सकते हैं, और दूसरी तरफ टेस्ट में वो एक बैंकेबल बॉलर बन जाते हैं कैप्टन के लिए कि भाई इनको गेंद थमा दो तो he'll come and change something. But in one day cricket, which is why I personally like the 50 over format, you have so many ebbs and flows. कभी भी मैच एक तरफा नहीं होता, या if one team runs away with it at the starting stages, it's not necessary that that team goes on to win or dominate.
मैंने कभी भी इंडियन टॉप ऑर्डर को इतना ज़्यादा वल्नरेबल नहीं देखा पिछले डेकेड में, खास तौर पे क्योंकि विराट कोहली सिंस हिज स्टार्ट स्पेशली अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान ही हैज़ बीन लाइक अ वॉल. बहुत ज़्यादा हमने देखा है कि वो खड़े हो जाते हैं और ही टेक्स अवे द गेम फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान. मगर अभी जो उन पे एडेड प्रेशर है कुछ लो स्कोर्स का अक्रॉस द फॉर्मेट्स, ये बड़ा फैसिनेटिंग होगा. इट कुड बी अ वेरी बिग गेम फॉर विराट कोहली पर्सनली आई गेस, बिकॉज सो मेनी स्ट्रिंग ऑफ लो स्कोर्स एंड then coming over here, he should be playing for the pride. बहुत कुछ उसका at stake है.
Absolutely, and it's an open secret rather that Indian team is going through a bit of a transition phase. और अगर आप सोचे तो रोहित शर्मा, not just Virat Kohli, but Rohit Sharma is also definitely on the last legs of his international career. अब वो legs कब तक इनको लेके जाती हैं वो एक बड़ा सवाल है, because as we have kind of discussed in the past that in our region it is also a very very difficult decision when you're moving on, because some players attain that legendary status कि उसके बाद उनको थोड़ा सा nudge करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. I'm not suggesting at all that either Rohit Sharma is done or Virat Kohli is done, but I would definitely say that they are very close to getting to the end of their career. तो ये एक difficult phase है. आज in fact earlier today during one of the studio shows on ESPN Cricket, Anil Kumble has mentioned this. He has said that Gautam Gambhir's biggest challenge is that irrespective of what happens in this Champions Trophy, he has to start building this team for the 2027 World Cup. तो उन्होंने नाम नहीं लिए, but it's obvious that he's talking about particularly Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, and possibly even Ravindra Jadeja. That in 2 years' time, they will not really have that level of fitness or maybe that level of performance to be able to compete with some of the younger guys who are knocking on the doors of selection. If you remember against England in the recent ODI series, he missed the first match. Second match he had a low score, and third match he was actually looking very good. He crossed 50. He was looking good for potentially yet another big score, maybe 100. And then he got out to a very good piece of bowling from Adil Rashid. And today, I think what happened, or in the match against Bangladesh, what happened was he just kind of misread the amount of bounce which Rishad Hussain was able to get with his kind of leg spin bowling. और एक और factor है कि obviously Pakistan does not have a leg spin bowler, so that is a bit of a disappointment from that perspective, because that is in recent times उनके batting की एक weakness रही है. And we know that he has that ability to raise his game